front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security. Then tap on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then you finally get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Lastly, answer this question by tapping on the best answer. How do you want the lock screen to display? Your notifications. Show all notification content. Show sensitive content only when unlocked. Or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you finish, hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!